Hello everyone and welcome to 86 of Estate Green Cay. Taking you on a little tour today. First of all, just want to give you some general information. This is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath property that includes a 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment below with a separate driveway and entrance. So going through into the main house through these double mahogany wood doors, electronic keypad, doot, 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 doot. And we're in to this massive great room. The first thing you notice, obviously, is this expansive, beautiful Caribbean sea view that is 180 degrees east to west. You can, on clear days, see Vieques, St. Thomas, St. John, the British Virgin Islands, and every day you get to see Buck Island right there. Every room has fans. Also, all the bedrooms have AC units, and this entire space, this living room, kitchen, dining area is cooled by this system, which is a 36,000 BTU AC split unit. So it feels rather nice in here. So let's take a quick look at the bedrooms on the east end. Consider the main bedroom. Private balcony. Table, chairs, umbrella, view to the north. Sailboat right there. Pretty nice. Wish I was on that sailboat right now. Be pretty cool. Big closet. Lots of storage space in all of the bedrooms. Nice sized bathroom with a glass shower. Beautifully tiled. Cathedral ceilings. Double sink vanity. Let's go to the laundry room, but before I do that, I'm going to show you, if you're interested in the property that does vacation rentals, you can use this closet for your linens and towels and things that you can prepare for guests. If you're doing vacation rentals. Just to the right of that closet is the laundry room, which does have full-size washer and dryer. This is your automatic switch that is connected to the generator outside. Hot water heater. Fan. This is the southeast bedroom. So we're on the east side of the house. Mini split AC unit. That is a queen size bed. And nice size closet. Going to the other side, take a look at the living room. Kitchen. Nice size bar. 3-bar stool setup. All stainless steel appliances. All right, headed to the west side of the property. King size bed, ocean view, nice size closet, dresser, west side bathroom. Similar to the other side, it has a glass shower, tiled vanity. Little bar set up right here. And the final bedroom in the main house would be this southwest bedroom. That's a queen size bed. Plenty of closet space. And back out. So we're now gonna head down below to the apartment. So now we are headed downstairs. We're gonna take a peek at the workshop and the other storage room. A lot of extra storage in this property, as well as the apartment. So when we come around the front of the house, this is your propane gas to the gas stove upstairs. This is the converted garage to workshop. Nice and spacious. Plenty of room to work. Even an extra refrigerator right there. Come in handy on some hot days. And this is the separate driveway and entryway down to the apartment. And we are down below. You can see pool point straight ahead with some ocean view. Some couple of really beautiful flamboyant trees right here. Separate the neighbor's yard. And let's take a look at, this is the apartment, separate entrance, private entrance. Before I go in the apartment, I'm going to show you this storage room, which contains all the hurricane panels and other storage for other equipment here. This is a brand new water system. So you have your triple filters there, water pump, and you have, these are labeled reserve, east, south, and north cisterns. So when you run out of one, you just turn it off and flip on another one. So that's pretty handy to have. So we'll exit this nice size storage unit. This is the backyard. And a quick sneak peek of the apartment. Hurricane accordion shutters on the apartment. And entering into the apartment. Straight back, you have a kitchen, new stainless steel refrigerator, stainless steel dishwasher, and the nice soft closers. That's an electric stove. Nice tile backsplash. Some extra storage. Microwave across from the refrigerator. Water dispenser looking back towards the living room. Back towards the living room, take a left into the bedroom. Queen size bed. Closet to the left. Lots of windows, lots of light. And finally, ensuite bathroom. And a stand-up shower. Nicely tiled. Another door that takes you to the kitchen, back through the bedroom, into the living room, and there's a kitty. Hope you all enjoyed today's video tour of 86 Estate Green Cay. If you have any questions, give us a call. We hope to see you on island soon. Thanks so much. Have a great day.